Welcome to Hypoport SE and the elevator pitch to get to know and get you interested. So Hypoport is digitalizing three core industries here in Germany. We are digitalizing the credit industry in the core the mortgage world, but as well corporate and personal loan businesses. We digitalize the housing industry with a heavy link to the mortgage business. And we are digitalizing the insurance industry here in Germany, one of the largest in the world. When I say we are a little bit different than most of the companies. We created an ecosystem out of independent companies, which are highly integrated with synergies and along value chains, using APIs along these services, and enabling a digitalization of whole value chains, while each company is focusing on a certain piece of the value chain and is aiming for control of this special position in the value chain here in the German market. We grouped this more than a dozen of companies in 4 segments for you. 3 segments address the 3 different industries. So credit industry with the Europace system as a center and 170 million in revenue last year. The real estate platform with FIO and Value in its center, a 53 million revenue platform, and the insurance platform with Smart InsurTech in its center with 45 million last year. So this 3 covers the digital surface in this 3 industries, and it creates the ecosystem industries so that more and more transactions in the German financial market are going through our systems and our platforms. In addition, you have a private client business. Here we run a franchise network, monetizing on our platforms, showing the world that it's possible to have fully digital transactions here in Germany with a revenue of 122 million and a major player as well on the consumer side. So what I mean when I talk about platforms, and we do this on the example of the Europace platform in the mortgage business. Here we integrate consumer, advisor, and lender on one single platform for the complete market. If you are an independent advisor and you are using this 650 different lenders of Europace to find the best offering for your consumer, or if you're a bank branch and you prefer to sell your own product using the platform, but from time to time, if it's not a fit, you use the open architecture and choose some other products, it's up to you. So every kind of business model, open or closed, more digital, more traditional, can be run through Europace. And today, every 4th mortgage in Germany is already transacted via Europace. So the general layer, the infrastructure for the German mortgage market is Europace. And this is close to 300 billion euro market already and keeps growing. And we keep taking market share because of the power of this standardization in the market, the huge benefit everyone has from joining this platform, joining the industry standard, and our high investments that we do in defining how a mortgage transaction looks like here in Germany. So with this, we keep growing, and this is for now, this is, you can say, a scaling challenge here. So keep scaling double digit while we expand in new areas like housing with a heavy link and using our unfair advantage coming from mortgages to expand to along the value chain of home ownership to different markets. So we do this for the last 20 years. So double-digit growth, top and bottom line for 2 decades already. And when we look forward, we will keep going like this. Beside this profit that you see, we invest heavily in future business models. So we are an innovator in all these 3 markets. Beside this 20 million in profit in the first quarter, we invested 10 million in these new business models in R&D to make sure that these 3 industries are standardized based on our ecosystem. Yeah, this means this year somewhere close to 500 million in revenue and 10% EBIT margin is expected. What is more important for you as a long-term investors? We did it 2 decades and we will do it the next 2 decades. So growing double digit, is this what we do? This is what this company is about. Expect us to grow, and hope to have got you interested and that you want to grow with us.
Hi there, since you watched this company video until the end, I'm guessing you liked the video. And that's probably because we work very hard to create the most engaging and added value content for you. If you're a company and want to find out how we, at Seat 11A, can make a company video with and about you, please email us at content@seat11a.com.